Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can enable Secure Boot on your computer so you can play Call of Duty Black Ops 7, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn on Secure Boot on your computer easily. So first you're going to check if you have Secure Boot enabled. You're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here MS Info. And here you can see Secure Boot state. I have it enabled, but you may have it disabled. So now you're going to open up the start menu first. You're going to click onto here. You're going to hold your left shift key and then you're going to click restart. You'll be here. You're going to go into troubleshoot, go into advanced options, go into UEFI firmware settings. And after that, you're going to click restart on here and then you'll restart in your BIOS. And here in your BIOS, you're going to go into your boot option and then you're going to go into CSM support. You're going to make sure you set it to disabled. After you set it to disabled, you're going to save and exit from here by either pressing F10 on your keyboard or just go into save and exit option here and then save and exit and restart your computer. And once you do that, you're going to go back into your BIOS by the same method that I showed you. Once you're back into the BIOS, now you're going to go into Secure Boot. And once you go into Secure Boot, you'll see Secure Boot will be disabled here. You're going to make sure you enable Secure Boot here. And then you're going to go into Restore Factory Keys. So you're going to go into that. You're going to press Enter on it and select yes. When you get an option here to Restore Factory Keys, after that, you're going to save and exit. And once you exit from BIOS, you're going to come here and then you'll check your Secure Boot like this. And you'll see that your Secure Boot state will be saying on like this. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.